This smart pillow stops snoring by literally moving your head while you sleep. Here is how this futuristic tech works. Inside the pillow are tiny, medical-grade microphones that listen specifically for the sound frequency of a snore. The second you start making noise, the pillow's built-in AI detects it, and silently inflates hidden internal air chambers. This motion gently rotates your head to the side without waking you up. By changing your head position, it opens up your restricted airway, instantly silencing the snoring. Your partner finally sleeps peacefully, and you wake up feeling incredibly refreshed. No more awkward mouthguards, no heavy machines, just invisible smart tech saving your relationships. Would you trust an AI to move your head at night? Let me know below.